So Christine, welcome to Milan.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure that you visit us. Thank you
Well,
for coming.
I've been looking so forward to see this fair and especially to see this cooperation between Corian Cabana magazine.
Wonderful. So you know Cabana then?
Oh, I love Cabana magazine. It's my favorite, absolute favorite.
What do you like best in Cabana?
Oh, I love the craziness and the mixture of things in the homes and pattern mixtures, and that you can see that people have lived there for a long life.
Right.
That it's not something that you bought everything in once and put it in a new apartment.
And could you ever imagine that Corian could be used in the Cabana interiors?
No.
Why? What idea do you have from Corian?
No, my experience with Corian is as a kitchen surface, countertop, and maybe, to be really crazy, use it as a sink in the bathroom. Yes. So I was, well, my eyes are open in a new way, and I think it's fantastic to see how you made the benches, the tables, the obelisks, and the surfaces of the walls, and here the fan and kitchen sink. It's fantastic.
Right.
Yes.
Were you aware that there were so many colors of Corian on the market, or you were maybe thinking of Corian just as a solid white color?
No.
What was your
I work a lot
knowledge?
with colors, and I love using colors in my work, so I knew that they had colors, but I didn't know of all these stone-ish surfaces, marbleized surfaces. But I did know that there were loads of brilliant wood colors.
So, talking about the cabanas, which one is really your favorite one in terms of environment, in terms of color, Corian and other accessories combination?
I like that they're so different. I like this because of the extremely turquoise and green color combination and the kitchen and this fan. So this was maybe my first choice, but I also really love the living room and the bedroom with the bed and the old benches in the Russian cabin and the bathtub. So I was really inspired, really happy to see this.
And what about the different applications? So you said you wouldn't expect to see, for instance, Corian on a wall cladding, or for instance, used as an accessory. So that you said that that's pretty inspiring.
It's very inspiring because it opens my mind on how to think about new possibilities of making a table, for example. If I, as a designer, want a different or specific shape and color, I know now that I can make it modern and new, but in the same time have the classical shape, for example, but with this new, or not new, but for me new material. So I think that's fantastic, and also to see how you cut
The walls of the outside
walls, yes,
of the cabanas.
yes, and the frames, and in the bathroom that you have all these panels. It's very inspiring. It is.
So I have another question actually. I was convinced that Norway is a very design country, and that normally architects and designers or people working with the interiors are very much towards, their preference goes towards solid colors, bright or more bright or less bright, but in general towards solid colors. Is this the case, or?
Well, my experience is the opposite actually, that it's most white and black and grey, but I don't know what they sell for Corian, so I can't tell you that, but I've only used Corian once, and that was the Ice Arctic Blue or something, as a top in the teppanyaki bar.
Right, but you said in a previous conversation that you wouldn't mind to use Corian in a more paint pattern or with a, as a decorative
I think it's wonderful,
material.
and I think it's going to come. I think this is what we want to see in the future.
Right.
But it takes time to get used to it and see it and then wanting it. So it's my job as a stylist and as a decorator to show this to people and to make them want it and want them to try it. And then Cabana is a fantastic magazine for me, and it might be scary for a couple of years more for the rest of the Norwegian people.
Yeah.
But I've told a lot of people about it, and I think we want to see what they have because they have these curtains that looks lived in.
Yeah.
And that's wonderful. And to be able to make something like this who looks old in one way, but then, yes, it's fantastic.
So you said that minimalism, working with interiors, you know, the minimalism was, let's say, a big fashion a few years ago.
Mm.
So you see a change in the trend,
Yes.
right? You believe that we are going towards a different, a change in the taste and in the trends.
And I think we're going to want more details. And as a contrast to all the minimalism that we've had, we want more contrasts and more quality,
Right.
and more colors, and going back to the feeling of solid and homey things. I think that's what I think.
Right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.